Hey guys, I'm Faisina. Today we are going to talk about daily routines. So, if you have any questions, feel free to write your questions in comments. So let's start. I get up at 5 o'clock in the morning, but on weekends I wake up at 6 a.m. Once I wake up, I stay in bed about 10 minutes before I get up. I do my morning chores. I wash my hands, feet, face, and mouth. I brush my teeth. I clean my tongue. I rinse my mouth. Then I pray to God. After prayer, I drink a cup of black coffee. Then I watch news. I go to my neighbor's home. I spend time with them. I do meditation. I read inspirational books. I go for a walk. I come back my home. I prepare breakfast. I broom my yard. I practice yoga. Then I go for a bath. I bath in cold water. I take a cold bath. But my father likes hot bath. Then I dry and comb my hair. After that, I have my breakfast. Generally, there will be idli or chapati for breakfast. Along with it, I shall drink a cup of coffee. My father just has a cup of coffee for breakfast. My mother packs a lunch for all of us. I press my shirt and pant. Then I wear my dress. By 8 o'clock, I shall be ready to go to work. I talk to my friends. I go to the office and food. I meet my colleagues. I do my work. I check my emails and file my papers. Then I report to my boss. I have my lunch at a nearby cafeteria. I take a nap. I return home at 5. I sometimes walk home with my friends or I take the bus. I reach home at 6 o'clock. I have a snack and change my clothes when I get home. If it's raining, I watch television. I make tea. If it's nice outside, then I go to ground. I play with my friends. I play cricket. I get fresh. Then I pray to God. I watch cereal. I write my diary. I wash my clothes. Sometimes we have salad before our dinner. At dinner time, the family sits around the table and talk about what they did all day. I have my dinner. After dinner, I help my mother with the dishes. Usually she washes the dishes and I'll dry them. I clean my room. I call my husband. I go to bed at 10 o'clock. Around 10:30, I sit alone and read a book for about 30 minutes. Then finally, at around 11 p.m., I turn off the lights and get in bed. Then I sleep tight. Thank you for watching. I hope you like it. So please like, share and subscribe my channel.